The market continues. Before we get to the next set of stocks, let's get you some snippets coming in from a very interesting conversation that our colleague Daanish had with the management at SpiceJet. Hope that ATF will finally be taken under GST. That is what SpiceJet MD Ajay Singh told Daanish. Just a while back, they were discussing, the expectations from the new government and, of course, what lies ahead for the aviation sector. Listen in.
I think this new government will focus on economic growth, and a large component of economic growth is aviation growth. So I'm very confident that they will work to ensure that the aviation sector grows rapidly, that the regulatory issues that the sector has faced for so many years, those are addressed as quickly as possible, and that India becomes a leading aviation power in the world.
Right. So as far as the taxation on the aviation sector is concerned, what are your views on that? What's the government really do so that the entire environment for domestic airlines is much positive?
I think it's a very unfair situation that the aviation sector faces, that your largest input has a very high incidence of tax, and that there is no input tax credit for that input. So this is something which is unique in the world, needs to be addressed, and I do hope that aviation turbine fuel will finally be taken under the ambit of GST. And if that can happen, this is a structural reform which has been needed for a very long time, and hopefully the new government will address this. To be fair, they have already started discussing this with us, and I do hope that it can be addressed soon.
Right. As far as the fleet is concerned, what is the current update regarding talks with Boeing, and when can we expect SpiceJet to again have over?
We continue to talk with the OEMs to restore the delivery of aircraft from our fleet of, our order of 200 aircraft. So hopefully that can happen soon. In the meanwhile, we are working hard to uplift the aircraft that are on the ground, and trying to take short-term capacity through wet lease and longer-term capacity through dry lease. So the objective is for SpiceJet to get to 100 aircraft as soon as possible.
Okay, well, that's Ajay Singh, a SpiceJet